My all respected experts, sirs, please kindly hear as to whose mistake the accidents are happening and how to control it. I will just zoom and again tell. Accidents are the result of someone who is not giving justice to his duties. There are numerous someone. This someone is in the system, and as per expert opinion of retired Chief Engineer Ramesh Srisagar, he has given his opinion. Now, if we want to reduce the accident, this someone shall be made to work to give justice to his duty. In this elite group, there is a cream of society who can find out how to do it. Hence, I have posted this to this group for finding out solution to detect someone who is not doing justice to his duties and how to be. Who is not giving justice to his duties. I think I am successful in conveying my point for reducing accidents. Myself, Ramdas Khandagare. Thank you.